Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello students, welcome to this lesson about the probability of combined events. Before we start our lesson, we need to remember some important points about sets. Set is a well-defined collection of objects or numbers. If it has no elements, we call it empty set. Let's write down the elements of these sets. Here we have a set called X, and the elements of this set are the first 5 square numbers. The set is in the statement form, and we need to write it in the listing form or roster form. In the listing form, the name of the set usually is written as a capital letter, and the elements are put in braces or this curly bracket. The number of elements in this X set is 5 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, here we have another set called Y. The elements of this set are the factors of number 6. Number 6 comes from 1 times 6 and 2 times 3. So the elements of number 6 will be 1, 2, 3, and 6. We write it as a listing form. And the number of elements in this Y set is 4. Now let's learn about intersection, union, and Venn diagram. Here we have set A and set B. This set with the name capital U is called universal set. It contains all the elements in set A and set B. Find A intersection B. The intersection of set A and set B means the elements that they have in common, in this case 2 and 3. So this intersection will have only 2 elements, which are 2 and 3. In B, we need to have A union B. To write down the union of set A and set B, we bring all the elements in both A and B in one set, and we don't repeat the common elements. In C, we to write the complement of A union B. This is A union B, so the complement of A union B means the elements that we have in the universal set, but we don't have in the union set. What numbers are missing in the union set, but we can find in the universal set? That's 7 and 8. So this set of complement A union B will have 2 elements, 7 and 8. Venn diagram is another way used to write the sets and the relationship. This rectangular box stands for the universal set, and this blue circle stands for set A. This red circle stands for set B. This is the intersection of the two sets, and we write what they have in common. In this example, they have in common 2 and 3. This part of A, we write the numbers that belong only to A. In this case, 1 and 6. And this part of B, we write the numbers that belong only to B. The element is in the universal set, but not in the other two sets. We write in the boxes outside 2 circles, 7 and 8. Let's take some examples using Venn diagram. This Venn diagram shows the information about the sport that 25 students are playing in a PE program. Let's answer these questions using the information given in the Venn diagram. How many students are in the section of hockey and tennis? 8 students. Next, how many students are playing hockey? We take all the students in the hockey circle, 5 plus 8. 13 students are playing hockey. How many students are not playing tennis? We take the students outside the tennis circle, 5 plus 4, 9 students are not playing tennis. How many students are in the union of hockey and tennis? Union means we take all the numbers in the hockey circle and all the numbers in the tennis circle, we add them all. 5 plus 8 plus 8. That's when 21 students are playing both hockey and tennis. P. Describe the shaded region in words. This blue shaded region in the big box outside the 2 circles stands for the students who neither played hockey nor tennis. In this case, only 4. Question C. What fraction of students are playing either hockey or tennis but not both? We need the students who play only hockey and those who play only tennis, but not both of them. That's 5 plus 8, 13, and the total number of students in the Venn diagram is 25. So the probability will be 13 over 25. Here is another example. Let's answer these probabilities using the information given in the Venn diagram. Find the probability of A. See how many elements are in circle A. 3 plus 3, 6 elements. And the total number of elements in the diagram is 12. So the probability of A will be 6 over 12. If you simplify, that's half. The next question, what is the probability of B? Let's add all the elements in circle B. In this case, 2 plus 3, 5. And the total number in the Venn diagram is 12. So the probability of B will be 5 over 12. What is the probability of A and B? And means intersection. In this case, only 3. And the probability of A and B, 3 over 12. When you simplify, that's 1 over 4. In B, and what is the probability of A or B? The probability of A or B is the probability of A union B. We add all the elements in both A and B. In this case, 3 plus 3 plus 2, that's 8. The total number of the elements of the Venn diagram is 12. So the probability of A union B will be 8 over 12. Here another example. A teacher is organizing a school trip to Rome for the students in the year 11. There are 120 students in the school year. Let's display this information in a Venn diagram. So this rectangular box stands for the school is our universal set. 72 students study history. So all the elements in this H circle will be 72. 92 students are visiting Rome. So all the elements in this R circle will be 92. 12 students don't study history and are not visiting Rome. So this 12 we write outside the two circles inside the bucket somewhere here. Now, what is the probability that a student is studying history and visiting Rome? We want to find the probability of the intersection, but we don't actually know how many students study history and are visit Rome. Let's say there are some X number of students who study history and are visiting Rome. Remember, all the elements in this H circle are 72. So this part will be 72 minus X. Also remember, all the students in R circle are 90. So this part will be 90 minus X. If we add them all, the total will be 120. Let's add them all. Positive X cancels with negative X, and this negative X remains. So take this negative X to the right and take the 120 to the left to subtract the two numbers. So the X will be 54. It means the number of students who both study history and are visiting Rome is 54. So the probability will be 54 over 120, which is the total number of the students in the school year. Stop the video and try to solve these problems by using the information given in the Venn diagram. Thank you very much.